Hold on to your hats, folks, because what I'm about to show you will blow your mind. We're talking about a game changer, a revolution on wheels, the 2027 Toyota GR-GT. Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2027 Toyota GR-GT, and believe me, the hype is real. Toyota's taking a massive swing at the sports car market with this one, and from what we've seen so far, they're aiming for nothing less than dominance. We're talking aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, and performance figures that will make even seasoned petrolheads weak at the knees. Rumors are flying about hybrid powertrains, advanced aerodynamics, and a chassis that's been honed on the track. Think of it as a blend of the Supra's raw power, the GT86's agility, and a whole heap of futuristic innovation. The design language seems to be taking cues from Toyota's Le Mans racers, with sharp angles, a low-slung profile, and a massive rear wing that screams performance. Inside, expect a driver-focused cockpit with all the latest gadgets and gizmos, from a heads-up display to a state-of-the-art infotainment system. But it's not just about looks and tech. The GR-GT is promising to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. While Toyota is keeping the exact specifications tightly under wraps, ISPR suggests a hybrid powertrain combining a turbocharged engine with electric motors. Some sources are even hinting at a potential all-electric version down the line. We can expect lightning-fast acceleration, precise handling, and a soundtrack that will send shivers down your spine. Toyota is known for its reliability, so you can bet they've put this powertrain through its paces to ensure it can handle the rigors of track days and Spirited. The GR-GT is also expected to feature advanced driver assistance systems, but without compromising the raw, engaging driving experience that sports car enthusiasts crave. This is a car that's designed to be driven, and driven hard. Suspension is rumored to be adaptive, allowing the driver to customize the ride and handling to their preference. Brakes, carbon ceramic, most likely providing incredible stopping power. Tires, sticky and wide, ready to grip the asphalt. But is this just another concept car that will never see the light of